In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to add a histogram widget to the dashboard view of MARACOOS OceansMap. So first, the user needs to go into this Add Widgets section and scroll down to Histogram. Select Histogram, and now we have our editor page. So here in the parameters list, gives a list of the parameters that we can make a histogram widget for. So let's go to Atlantic wave height. We have our distribution bin count. So how many of these bins that are showing on the plot. So let's leave that as 10. We can manually set the range, or we can leave this as the defaults, which automatically finds the min and the max. The time range, so by default it's set to 48 hours in the past until right now. So let's increase this. Let's say we want to use 72 hours in the past until right now. Or the user can select specific start and end dates. The location by default is set to the middle of the spatial area that was selected. So we can go ahead and select an area in the northeast, and you can see the lat long update. And then the user has the option to set a title if they would like. So let's just call it histogram. And when we add that widget, you can see it adds the widget here in the top left. We can hover over these specific sections to give us additional data. We can change the color of the plot. We can delete the widget, edit the widget, resize the widget, or we can download the data. And once we like how it looks, we can lock the dashboard, and now we can't delete or edit, and it's locked in place.